Hi everyone, welcome to Geometry e-learning. I'm just going to go through a few things that I want you to know for this first week. I'm going to take you to the Schoology page for geometry. Okay, once you get to the main page for geometry, you're going to see these, well, three things. You're going to see the resources folder, this turn in chapter 7 or chapter 8 missing assignments, here assignment, and then the week of March 30th through April 3rd. Let's go first to the week of March 30th through April 3rd. Each week that you have your e-learning, there's going to be a folder here for the week. Once you get into the week, there are a number of things that are going to be available for you. And these are basically your assignments for the entire week. First of all, at the top of the page, there's always going to be a contact me, giving you information on how to get a hold of me. It contains my email, my telephone number, and then my Zoom meeting ID for when I am hosting my office hours, which are going to be daily from 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. I can also do additional office hours for people if you find it necessary. All you got to do is let me know that you need a meeting. Then you go back to the week of. The next thing that's always going to be here is a discussion forum. So at any time when you're working on your assignments and you have questions and you know that you have peers or me that could help you with questions, just post any comments here. They'll just be a running list. Just remember to keep it school appropriate. And this can be a way that we can kind of work together to complete assignments throughout the day. And then finally getting to your list of accomplishments that you must do each week. So I will try to keep these numbered. So if you complete the numbered items each week, then you're going to have completed everything that's required for the week. The first thing that was going to happen is a weekly welcome. So that's going to be a video. That's what I'm creating right now. That's what you should be watching. And then at the end of that, watching the video, you are going to have to answer this question. Did you watch the video for the week? This is how we're going to record attendance. So you're going to have to answer that question, yes or no. Did you watch the video? Is it true or false? So that will be the item 1 for each week. And then after that, we did section 10.1 before you left, before school was closed. So I included those notes under number 2. So the notes are just here for you to review in case you need them or you don't have them. That's what that second section is about. So under number 2. And then just to make sure that you remember and understand what it is, there's this little check for understanding that goes along with 10.1 that you're going to do next. Okay, so you're just going to go through and do this quick quiz to make sure you remember everything there is to know about 10.1. You have 2 chances to get that correct. Do it until you get them correct. And if you need another chance, let me know and I will make that happen. So then getting to the new stuff, starting with number 4, you will be asked to print out a blank copy of the notes for section 10.2. And that blank copy, the links are right here. And then watch these 2 videos that will show you how to complete the notes. So that's just like me talking in front of class, just like I always do, to help you complete those notes. And then once you have completed those notes, then you're going to practice using the practice problems from the book. So I've included a link to chapter 10 of the book and the answers from the back of the book. Then you're going to repeat that process for section 10.3, completing the notes and doing the practice problems. And then you're going to be assessing that you understood how to do 10.2 and 10.3, doing the check for understandings. And the same thing for section 10.4. For this first week of learning, you're going to be reviewing 10.1, you're going to be completing notes for 10.2, 10.3, and 10.4, and completing those check for understandings. The following week will be on doing the formal assessment for 10.1 through 10.4. So make sure that you get all of your questions answered this week for 10.1 through 10.4. And then finally, at the end, you are to complete this action step about how did it go. So you're going to click on this form and fill it out and let me know how your first week of online learning went. And submit that form. So understand that each week you will have a folder, and within the folder you have a number of assignments that you have to complete or assessments. And then if I go back to the main folder in geometry, you're going to have your resource folder, which has always been there, that has all of your book components in it. And then if you are missing any assignments, I sent out, several emails for students that had missing assignments from chapter 7 or chapter 8. And this is where you're going to turn in those assignments. If you are missing those assignments, you would go to post those assignments as a submission here, and you're going to use an app called Cam Scanner on your phone to turn those pictures of those missing assignments in to me as a PDF file. You can attach as many as you want. Let me know if this doesn't work so that I can fix it. But if you're missing assignments and you want to get credit for those missing assignments, then turn those in there. And then the following week, we'll have another folder that has the following week's assignments. And this is how it's going to be done. So complete the numbered items. This week it's 1 through 13 numbered items. And then once you've completed those, you've completed the work that's required for geometry for the week. Make sure that you tune in to my office hours if you need additional help or additional explanation, or if you just want to see my face. As always, and each week, I know that this is going to be difficult doing this all on your own each day, but whenever you have any questions, just email me, text me, let me know that you need that help so that I can get you what you need. Okay. And meeting.